Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. Last video nakita natin ang studio unit of Uptown Modern. Kung di nyo pa napapanood yung video, here's the link. Today, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang one bedroom unit. Take note guys, nag-range ng 57 up to 83 square meter ang ating one bedroom unit dito sa Uptown Modern. Advantage na rin natin kasi naka pre-selling stage pa tayo, so you can choose your unit and your preferred views.
Here it is all. You slowly let it go. Are you turning off your phone? Ooh, feelings too cold, so cold.
This is Uptown Modern, the newest and the last residential condo here in Uptown BGC. It has a 54 floor and naka 100% backup power na rin tayo, kaya di tayo makakaranas ng mga blackouts. And good thing here is naka perpetual ownership na rin tayo and pet-friendly environment. Meron din tayong mga hotel-like amenities dito like lap pool with infinity edge, kiddie pool, jacuzzi, gazebo, pool deck, daybed, cabanas. Meron ding open spaces, spillover area, zen nook, children's playground, fitness gym, outside fitness area, game room, entertainment suite, daycare, function room, sky gardens, roof gardens, and many more. Hindi mawawala ang ating lobby and the drop-off area. Tapos magkakaroon pa tayo ng mga retail spaces sa ground floor. This building will be an LEED certified in the future kasi meron tayong mga sustainability features. And not to mention, all units here will be a smart home equipped. Ang ipapakita ko sa inyong one bedroom unit dito is a 57 square meter. Tara, check natin. Upon entering guys, yung pintuan natin is naka-smart lock system na rin. And meron tayong foyer dito. Tara, dito naman tayo. Dito sa ating one bedroom unit, magkakaroon tayo ng extra room or maid's room. Pero bakit ba natatawag na extra room siya or maid's room? First, pakita ko muna sa inyo to. Upon turnover, magkakaroon tayo ng free na washer and dryer. Dito naman tayo. Ito yung ating extra room or maid's room. Dito is meron na tayong ang ating toilet and bath. Tara, check naman natin yung kitchen. And this is our kitchen area. Kung mapapansin nyo is naka-open concept tayo dito. Kaya makikater natin yung nasa living and also in the dining area. Kung mapapansin nyo din, yung design ng countertop natin, ang ganda. At ito, naka-quartz na rin siya, kaya talagang matibay. Meron din tayo ditong sink and retractable faucet from Kenred and Gordon Hay. So, naka-European brands tayo dito. Tapos, meron din tayong mga maraming shelves, storage dito. And naka-soft close na rin siya. And meron pa tayong mga storage dito. Ayan. Lahat yan soft close. Talagang premium yung ating mga storage dito and the drawers. Meron pa tayo dito. Wow. Dami. And also kasama sa ating unit dito is the induction cooktop with a 2 burner. And also the range hood from Gordon Hay Ora. And then, kasama pa sa ating unit is this one, the microwave oven. And, di pa natatapos dyan. Kasi may kasama pa tayong refrigerator sa upon turnover. So, talagang aesthetic pa siya kasi naka-built-in na rin to. So, mukhang hindi siya ref. Diba? So, dito naman tayo sa ating living area. And, also, magiging dining area natin. makukuha natin yung unit natin ng fully fitted furnished. So ito, magkakaroon tayo ng complete kitchen, complete toilet and bath, and with free appliances like the microwave, the refrigerator, and yung nadaanan din natin kanina na washer and dryer. Plus, hindi pa natatapos dyan kasi meron pa tayo ditong kasamang split type inverter aircon. So, dito sa living area natin, meron na tayong split type inverter. And hindi pa yan natatapos. But first, dito muna tayo. Ito is our balcony. Yung window natin dito, fixed na rin siya. And here's will be our entrance sa ating balcony. And yung balcony natin dito is napakalawak. Tapos, above average yung ating railings. And punta naman tayo sa ating toilet and bath. And this will be our bathroom. Take note pala guys, lahat ng appliances dito, even here in our bathroom, is naka-top of the line European brands na. Tara, check natin yung bathroom. Ito, makikita nyo, full enclosure na tayo dito. And meron na rin tayo ditong open pack for the exhaustion. And dito, naka-vanity mirror na rin tayo. And dito, kasama na rin ang ating lavatory, the faucet, and here is drawer, kasama na rin siya upon turnover. Ito din, yung water storage natin, the toilet, is kasama na. Yung lagayan natin ng toilet paper, and also the bidet. Dito naman, is kasama na rin tong ating shower set. So, tara, check natin dito. Yan, ito siya. Complete na talaga yan. And also, meron din tayo dito niche na lagayan ng ating mga like shampoo and mga sabon, conditioners. Ang galing lang talaga ng ating bathroom kasi meron tayong access going bedroom area to the living area. So right now, pakita ko naman sa inyo yung ating bedroom area. And this is our bedroom area. Kung makikita nyo, meron talaga tayong access sa ating bathroom. And here's the one, is kasama na rin tong wardrobe, closet. Meron na rin siyang salamin. So, napakaganda talaga. And also, kasama dito is ating split type inverter aircon. So, dito sa ating one bedroom unit is meron na tayong dalawang split type inverter aircon. Meron na rin tayong dalawang bathroom. So, talagang napakaganda ng ating one bedroom unit. And if you want to have more video like this, just comment, like, and subscribe. And kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng unit like this and have more update for Uptown Modern, here's my details. So what you waiting for? Inquire now and have your dream home.